How to edit your Facebook Reels after posting it. Hey everybody, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In today's video, you will learn how you can edit the Reels after you have posted it on Facebook. So without any further delay, let us jump right into the process. Start by opening up your Facebook app and let's go ahead and add a Reel. Tap on the photo icon that will open up your gallery section. From there, choose any video that you would like to upload as a Reel. Write in a caption, then tap on to post. Now let's go ahead and edit the Reel that we just posted. This is the Reel that I posted. Now tap on three dot icon in order to edit this Reel. Tap on edit post. And all you can do under editing is just edit the caption that you added. That is the only thing you can edit inside your Reel. That wraps up today's tutorial. Thank you for watching the video till the very end. In case it had helped you in any ways, then make sure to like and subscribe. We will get back to you soon with more tutorials like this. Until then, stay updated.